Kapasian ng tabik pibawasan kumasolvia video zungavi dari forum niti. First of all, I would like to say thank you for the United Nations Department of Economic and Social Affairs for allowing me to be part of the participant of the 21st sessions of the United Nations Permanent Forum on Indigenous Issues. I am a Kadazan Kobion of the Tanga Tombingon tribe. Kadazan is a generic name who represent over 30 ethnic tribes in the island of Borneo, in particularly in the state of Sabah, the third largest island in the world in Southeast Asia. We have over 250,000 of populations of indigenous, and we have exist for the last 1,000 years, rich with cultures, rich with art, and our language, the Kadazan. Formerly, we were under the British colonizations, but through the realizations of the nation's building to gain independence, one of our great paramount leader goes by the name of Donald Stephen. In the 60s, realized this, and through the society of Kadazan supported him, began to gain independence by becoming an equal partner in the federations of Malaysia, known to be the nations of Malaysia today. The Kadazan has have been tested through times, and every year since the day of independence in 1963, the government of Malaysia has granted to us our annual state celebration called the Harvest Festivals, where thousands of people are flocking in all over the world, witnessing this grandiose, joyous celebration of a Harvest Festival with lots of cultures, entertainment, competitions, performance, that being represented by over 30 ethnic indigenous people and tribes. We are part of the history, and it is our joy to share our richness through my organization, the Kadazan Legacy Center. We tend to immortalize our rich identities, our culture, and our language through the next generations as part of the modern indigenous people in the world. God bless you and thank you.